Good morning class. Today we are going to start with chapter number 12, which is article. Okay. So article मैं आपको ये पोयम के थ्रू नहीं समझाऊंगी. Okay, ये पोयम है जो आप एक्सप्रेशन को आप पढ़ेंगे. Okay. Now we will start from the paragraph. You already know that the highlighted words are articles. आपको पहले पता है कि जितने भी हाईलाइटेड वर्ड्स क्या होंगे, आर्टिकल्स ही होंगे. दे आर यूज्ड बिफोर कॉमन नाउन्स टू शो क्वांटिटी और पर्टिकुलरिटी. ओके, ये किसके लिए यूज आते हैं? उनकी क्वांटिटी बताने के लिए और उनकी पर्टिकुलरिटी बताने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नाउ. ओके क्लास, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट इज एन आर्टिकल. Article is we use a and the. So you have already studied article in your second class and your third standard books, right? You know this very well. Okay. Types of article: a and the. Okay. Now, a and are indefinite articles. So what are a and n? These are indefinite articles because they indicate any common nouns in a general way. Now, why we use a and n? Because they indicate common nouns as a general or a general way. Okay. For example, a pie man. The is called definite articles because it indicates a specific common noun. Now, the is called definite articles. Okay, because वो हमें indicate क्या करता है? Specific common nouns को. A specific form of common noun it will indicate. Okay. Now we will understand a and the with the examples. Okay. In the below paragraphs. Both a and n are used before a common noun. Okay, the difference is their uses. A is used before a common noun that begins with a consonant or a consonant sound. Now, consonant and consonant sound. Now, we all know that a is used before a common noun, but only but the common noun should begin with a consonant or a consonant sound always. Okay, for example, she is drawing a picture. Now look at here, this is the common noun. P is what? Consonant. Okay, so that's why we are writing a, not n. She is drawing a picture, matlab she is drawing a particular, not a particular picture, she is drawing any picture. Okay. Now, a unicorn does not exist. So here is written a unicorn. Now, you will say that this is not a consonant. Then why we are using a? Okay, here because the sound of this word is consonant sound. U matlab y. Okay. यू आ रहा है ना, तो हम यू कब यूज करते हैं? वाई ओ यू बोलते हैं ना, तो वो वाई वाली साउंड आ रही है. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग ए हियर. ओके. नाउ इज यूज्ड बिफोर अ कॉमन नाउन दैट इज सिंगुलर, एंड वी यूज ए बिफोर अ कॉमन नाउन विच इज सिंगुलर, मीन्स ओनली वन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी ब्रॉट अ बॉक्स ऑफ चॉकलेट, मीन्स अ सिंगल बॉक्स ऑफ चॉकलेट, नॉट 2 or 3. ओके. You sang a lovely song, means only a single song he sang. Okay, this shows the number of items we have or we are using. Okay. Now, an is used before a common noun that begins with a vowel and a vowel sound. Now, in a we have used consonant sound, but and we will use for vowel and vowel sound. For example, he is holding an empty cup. Now, he is holding an empty cup because E is a vowel. Okay, vowel letter. That's why empty is beginning with what? Vowel. That's why we are using N. Now, I need an R to do this. So, I need an R. Okay. Now, we will say, now as you can see, H is a consonant. But we are using N here because H is silent here. We always say har, R, not har, right? So that's why we are using N here. Okay, class? Is used before a common noun that is singular. And we always used N in front of a singular thing. For example, an aunt was pushing a crumb of bread. यहाँ पे आपको पिक्चर दिख रही है ना? Look at in this picture. An aunt is pushing a crumb of bread, right? Now, only a particular aunt, only a single aunt is here. That's why we are using an aunt. An unhappy person is a sad thing to see. Only a single person we are talking about. That's why we are using an. Okay. Now, here comes the fill in the blanks with a or am. First, this is dash expensive watch. Now, E is vowel and it is sounding vowel sound. E, right? That's why we are using N. This is an expensive watch. Now, Satish, second देखिए. Satish is dash captain in the army. Now, C is a consonant. So, we are using A. Right? Third देखिए. Subhadra is reading dash book on the tribes of Odisha. So, Subhadra is reading a book because B is a consonant word starting with consonant, right? Fourth, little Mohit wants to be dash astronaut when he grows up. So, what is A? A is a vowel. So, we will use N to be an astronaut. Okay? Now, fifth, they have got dash idea. So, I is start with vowel. Idea is starting with vowel. So, we will use N. They got an idea. So, who are astronauts? Those people who goes in the space, okay, to explore the universe. Okay. Now, we will come after A and N, we will study the D. D is used before a specific common noun. It is used in following situations. Before the superlative degree of comparison. Now, we will we have studied the superlative degrees, right, of adjective. We have 3 degrees. First one is positive, second one is comparative, and third one is superlative. So we will use the in the superlative degree. For example, the best, the most important, and the easiest. Okay, class? Now, with some countable and uncountable nouns. So we know already what are countable and uncountable nouns. For example, the engineer, the engineers, they are countable. The news and the values are uncountable. We can't count news and values, but we can count engineers, right? To talk about unique objects. For example, the universe, the solar system, and the moon and the stars. They are unique objects. Okay, that's why we use the in before them. Okay, with names of desert, Iceland's holy books, mountain range, newspapers, famous buildings and monuments, ocean, trains, and ships. Now, before the name of all these things, we use what? The. For example, the Thar Desert, the Himalayas, the Pacific Ocean, the Andaman Islands, the Indian Opinion. This is a newspaper. Okay. The Shatabdi Express. We all know the train. This is the name of a train, right? The Mahabharat. This is a holy book. The Taj Mahal. This is a monument. And the INS, Vikrant, right? This is the ship. Okay. Navy ship होता है ना वो. Now B. Fill in the blanks with the article the wherever required. Now we have to fill the blanks with the wherever it is required. Okay. Now first, I love dash flower in your garden. I love the flowers in your garden, because here we are talking about a particular garden. Okay. Your garden. That's why you are using the. Now second, let's meet on Wednesday. Okay. So Wednesday. So let's meet on Wednesday. So there is no need to write the. This is showing a clear meaning that we will meet on. हम लोग डिसाइड करते हैं कि हम लोग कब मिलेंगे, वेडनेसडे को मिलेंगे. Now third, do you know where dash bookshop is? So we are talking about a particular bookshop. That's why we are using the bookshop. We are not talking about any bookshop. We are talking about a bookshop where we are going to from where we are going to purchase our books. That's why we use the. Now fourth, don't be late for dash rehearsal. Don't be late for the rehearsals. Okay, because we are talking about a particular rehearsal here. Okay. Now fifth, Ahmed goes to work by bus. So he is going by bus. Okay. No, in this we have already told that a particular name of a bus will or a train or a ship will take the. Okay, but here there is no name of a bus, so that's why we are not using by the bus. Ahmed goes to work by bus. We are only using this. Okay. Now do remember that articles are words used before common nouns to show quantity or particularity. Yes, there are two type of articles, indefinite and definite. So indefinite is a and an, and definite is the. A is used before a common noun that is singular and begin with consonant and consonant sound. N is before a common noun that is singular and begins with a vowel or vowel sound. This all we know, right? And the is used for a specific person, place, thing or idea, or before the superlative degree of adjective. Okay, this already we have studied in the chapter. Okay, studied. Okay, so this completes your half yearly syllabus. Okay class, best of luck for your exam and please prepare well. If you have any queries, please call me and ask your queries. Okay, thank you.